Hello students, welcome to Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences Indore. This is Kritika Sharma and I am going to start a pharmaceutical incompatibility. So firstly, I will explain what is a pharmaceutical incompatibility. The pharmaceutical incompatibility is defined as when two or more ingredients of a prescription are mixed together. The undesirable changes that may take place in the physical, chemical or therapeutic property of medicament is termed as incompatibility. Incompatibility occurs during when a compounding of the drug formulation and manufacturing, packaging and dispensing, storage and administration of the drug. Then the types of incompatibilities. There are three types of incompatibility. First is physical incompatibility, second chemical incompatibility and third is therapeutic incompatibility. Physical incompatibility. When a two or more than two substances are combined together, a physical changes takes place, unacceptable product is formed. The interaction between two or more substances which may lead the change of color, odor, taste, viscosity and morphology, it is also called as pharmaceutical incompatibility. Manifestation of the physical incompatibility. The following list outline the various way incompatibility between the among the drug agent may be manifested. First is insolubility. Insolubility of prescribed agent in a vehicle. Immiscibility of the two or more liquids. Precipitation, it occurs due to the solvent insoluble when is added to the solution, and liquefaction is liquefaction of the solid mixed dry state is called eutexia. First is insolubility. Insolubility of the prescribed agent in a vehicle. Any change the previous factor may lead to the precipitation of the drug and change their property. The substance like just chalk, acetyl salicylic acid, succinylsulfothiazole, zinc oxide and the calamine are the common example of diffusible solids. Some tinctures containing the resin or chlorophyll may provide the precipitation when added to the aqueous system. Example of physical incompatibility is mixture prepared the chalk. Chalk powder 2 gram and tincture catechu 2 ml and cinnamon water 2 ml. The corrected prescription is a mixture of prepare the chalk is chalk powder 2 gram, Tregagan 0.4 gram, tincture catechu 2 ml, cinnamon water up to 30 ml. The causes of the chalk powder is not soluble in water. It gets the precipitate when the added in an aqueous medium. These precipitates are found diffusible nature which result the physical incompatibility. Remedy used the suspending agent is necessary to the suspend the precipitation of chalk particle. Generally, 2% weight by volume of compound Tregagan powder is recommended as a suspending agent. B. Immiscibility. Immiscibility of the two or more liquid when two such ingredients are combined resulting in the non-homogeneous product. Such ingredients are called immiscible to the each other and the phenomenon called immiscibility. This manifestation appears clearly in emulsion, cream, lotion and some type of the ointments. The separation of the two phases is noticed in this pharmaceutical dosage form. The storage must be room temperature to prevent the sap. Immiscibility of two or more liquids other produce the enzyme which oxidize the surfactant, and temperature and oil water immiscible with each other which show the physical incompatibility. Example of castor oil emulsion. Castor oil is 15 ml and water is 60 ml. Causes of immiscibility in the prescription castor oil immiscible with the water due to the high interfacial tension, which is a sign of incompatibility. The remedy to overcome this type of incompatibility, the emulsification is necessary with the help of emulsifying agent. The corrected prescription is the castor oil emulsion is castor oil 15 ml, acacia 2% weight by volume and water up to 60 ml. Liquefaction. Liquefaction of the solid mix in a dry state is called eutexia. When the certain low melting point of the solid are mixed together, a liquid or soft mass known as eutectic mixture is produced. This occurs due to the lowering of melting point of the mixture to below room temperature and liberation of hydrates. If such condition takes place, compounding such a powder becomes difficult since the ultimate mixture turns to liquid. The medicaments showing the type of behavior are camphor, menthol, phenol, thymol, chloral hydrate. C is a precipitation. It's occur due to the solvent insoluble when it is added to the solution. Precipitation solubilize the substance may precipitate from its solution if a non-solvent for the substance is added to the solution. Example, resin are insoluble in water. Alcohol solution of resin plus water equal to precipitation resin. The aqueous dispersion of hydrophilic colloids, polysaccharide mucilage plus high concentration of alcohol or salts equal to precipitated colloids. Precipitation it occurs due to the solvent insoluble when it is added to solution. Example, lotion of the compound tincture of benzoin. Tincture benzoin is compound 5 gram, glycerin 10 ml, rose water up to 100 ml. It causes the tincture benzoin compound certain resin. This changes of the solvent type result is unavoidable precipitate. Remedy the addition of the tincture with the rapid stirring yield the fine colloidal dispersion, so there no need of any suspending agent. Thank you for listening.